Hello, I am making this video to show you how to upload documents to the Bridge to Credit file systems. So first you want to choose the Bridge to Credit level where you want to upload your files. So right now we're doing Bridge to Credit level 2, so I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to look along the left side here, and I'm going to click on the option Files. So note right now the Files tab is light colored. That's because we don't have any documents in the files yet, but you can still click on it. So from here under Bridge to Credit 2, there are these different categories that you can upload your work product to. So I'm going to choose the folder that I want to put a file in, so maybe I'll choose interviewing here. And now that I'm inside that folder, I can go to the upload button here. From here, I can choose the file that I want to upload. So I'll go to Bridge to Credit. And let's see, I'm gonna upload my last handout. I'm going to click open, and it has uploaded. So now when I go back to the Bridge to Credit and I open the interviewing folder, I have this file inside. So it's really very simple. So I hope that makes it clear. If you want to add new folders, you go to the Bridge to Credit level up here, and then plus folder. And we can add another folder in case we haven't covered all the skills and topics that we want. All right, hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.